Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a daily content profits review, just to let you know what's in the program, if it's going to help you make money or not. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon, and that way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, this is the daily content profits review. What exactly is daily content profits? It is a Warrior Plus product, and basically it's a step-by-step passive income content marketing system to create daily sales. If you look at the sales page here, you get more traffic, leads, and customers. Prepare your content for maximum success. You have an easy-to-follow checklist, free distribution channels, tools to automate, and you're going to get sales every day, basically, if you know what you're doing with your daily content. That's the whole idea, is do the work once and get paid forever. The creator of the product is David Perdue, and if we scroll down here, this is a very successful entrepreneur. He's the CEO and founder of the Novice to Advanced Marketing System, journalist, consultant, serial entrepreneur. He's built one of the most successful and fastest growing business training systems. So this guy is legitimate, very successful. The cost is $21.19 just for the basic, and then there's 3 upsells. The first one is Convert Traffic to Profit ebook. That's $17. How to get more people to buy your product. And then upsell number 2 is Blogging Like a Pro ebook, which is $27. The blogging masterclass. Then you've got upsell number 3, I guess there's 5 upsells, how to use free products to profit, basically like lead magnets that are going to give you profits. The Insiders Club is upsell number 4. That's a $1 trial, and then it's $197 a year or $29.99 a month. And then the last upsell is how to build a sales funnel, and that's $12.95. So the upsells are not that much money. Let's take a look at the product here. See what the course looks like. So the first thing is to download your checklist, and that is right here. That's a 46-page ebook. So basically it's showing you all the different things you should do with your content promotion, task summary. There are 32 different tasks on here, so we won't go through all of that. Okay, and then you've got your tweet composer. That is right here. So it's a tool to help you compose your tweets, to schedule them. Then you've got your hashtag manager. So this is going to help you keep track of your hashtags, how many hashtags there are of each one, as far as which ones you're looking for, the ones that have more than one hashtag post, 200K to 1 million. So just trying to figure out which hashtags are the best to use and organizing them. And then you've got the resource directory here. This has got a lot of information on it. A lot of it is tools to use, and some of them are reports, they've got links to like Fiverr, and there's just a lot of different resources on here. There's like 129 resources, how to turn Quora into traffic, driving machine to your blog. There's just a lot of different topics in here. It's going to help you with content creation. And then free account to process Street to modify your checklist. That's right here. Okay, and that's going to show you how to modify your content. And then the last link here is the Social Media Mastery Facebook group, and that's right here. It didn't look like there was that many people in it. There's 213 members, and there's only 2 new posts in the last 30 days, so it doesn't look like it's very active. Although David did create this group, and looks like he would be available to answer questions. And then you got some free resources here, free downloads, your toolkit here. Okay, so this has just got all your tools to help you manage your content, and a lot of these tools, of course, are paid. So that's basically the 2119 product. I didn't get any of the upsells. I would say the pros are it's low cost, of course, and then this one has a 7-day money-back guarantee, so I guess that I want you going in for 30 days and absorbing all the content and then asking for your money back. So it's only 7-day money-back guarantee that I saw. It's going to show you, of course, how to repurpose your content and to make sales with your content. And I think it's a good checklist if you're going to outsource your content, so you have something to give to your outsourced worker as far as what you want done with your content. The cons, I thought it wasn't very beginner friendly, because I found it overwhelming and a little confusing on where to go with everything. That was just me. And it looks like the Facebook group is not very active and there's not that many people in it. Not to say that you won't get support, because there is a support tab, of course, right here, where you can get your questions answered or just write into support. So it's very professional. I think it looks like a good product. If you're really into content creation, which most of us are, you need content out there to make sales. So I think overall it is a very good product. It just, for me, was a little bit overwhelming. So I hope you guys found some value in this daily content profits review. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. Also, if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. And if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Mayer signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.